Good afternoon, dear students. This is your English teacher. So today also we are going to start about the grammar portion, that is pronouns. Okay. So dear children, the definition of pronoun is: a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentences. So as you know that we have also seen in previous video that pronoun always takes the place of the noun. So first example will be Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. Okay. So Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohan Lal drives children to school every day, and Mr. Mohan Lal is a jovial man. So these are the three examples we have. That means we are talking about the same man who is a driver, who is a bus driver. Okay. Now in each sentence we are addressing his name. Okay. That is Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. Then Mr. Mohan Lal drives children to school every day, and Mr. Mohan Lal is a jovial man. Okay. So these three sentences describing Mohan Lal. Okay, that means in these three sentences we are talking about the Mohan Lal. So instead of taking his name, we can use the pronoun he. Okay, so that means instead of pronouncing his name, okay, again and again, so what we'll have to do, we will have to use the pronoun he. Okay, that means Mr. Mohan Lal is a noun, and instead of that noun we are using a pronoun, that is he. Okay, so that is why we are saying that means we are called as the pronoun word that takes place the place of noun. Okay, here noun is Mr. Mohan Lal and pronoun we are going to use will be he. Understood? So now how can be you can use in this sentence. Example, Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. Okay, first of all you have to address his name. So Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. He drives the children to school every day. Here, instead of saying Mr. Mohan Lal, we are using the pronoun he. Okay, then he is a jovial man. Okay, so instead of addressing Mr. Mohan Lal again, we used the pronoun he. Okay, so in this type you can use pronoun instead of the nouns. Understood? Now see the next page. The words I, you, he, she, it, we and they are pronouns. Okay, that comes in the naming part of sentences. Okay, so when you frame a particular sentences and when you use you, I, he, she, it, we and they, okay, it is also called as a pronouns. Okay, so you can also come in the telling part. Okay, so for example, let's take a look on this flow chart. We have two types of noun here, that is singular and plural. That means when we have only one noun, okay, in the sentences we can use the plural, we can use the pronoun I, he, she and it. Okay, then when there are, if we are talking about the two persons in one sentences, okay, that means two noun, if we are using two nouns in one sentences, so instead of addressing their name, we can use the plural like we and they. Okay, so the I, he, she, it, we, they all are the pronouns. Understood? So let's take an example. The village is far away. Okay, it has many rivers. Here we are using it, okay, instead of the village. Okay, the noun village, instead of the noun village we are using it, the pronoun, okay, instead of the noun. And it has many rivers and they are clean. Now here we are using the pronoun they instead of rivers, As you know that river is also a noun, okay, no matter is it proper noun or common noun, okay, it is noun, so we are using the pronoun instead of the noun river. Understood? So in this type, in one sentence you can use various kinds of pronouns, okay, instead of using the noun again and again. Understood? Then the pronoun you is used for both singular and plural noun. So the pronoun you is used for both singular and plural noun. Example, so you is always used for both the singular and plural noun. So example, it is an important game, you must play as a team. Okay, so here in this it, okay, it is the pronoun. Now let's come to the next example. Do you have a pet? Does it play with you? That means in first sentence you are watching that, you have visualized that you is the, you can say the pronoun. Okay, now it is using for the pet. Okay, pet is also the noun, you can say the common noun. Okay, so we that pet, you can say the dog or cat. Okay, so it is used for that. Okay, so the words me, him, her, it, us, you, and them are also pronouns. Okay, and they come in the telling part of these sentences. Okay, telling part means when you are addressing someone. Okay, so you can you can directly use the pronoun instead of saying his name. Understood? So for example, he is my father. Okay, because instead of using your father name, okay, you can also use the pronoun he is my father. I adore him, I adore him. Okay, so I is also comes under the pronoun. So in this sentence you can say that we are using two pronoun instead of two nouns. Okay, because we cannot say our name. Okay, so that's why we are addressing ourselves as a pronoun. Okay, in this type. Then the nouns, there are two kinds of nouns, that is, as you know, that singular and plural. So when the singular noun is used in sentences, so instead of singular noun, we can use the pronouns like me, him, her, or it. Okay, so if the nouns are plural, that means if two nouns are used in the sentences, you can use us and them instead of that particular noun. Understood? For example, Nikki has a pet. Okay, so Nikki is a noun in the sentence and it is a dog. So instead of using noun again, okay, we are using pronoun here. The next, they are my grandparents. Here we are using directly the pronoun. We have started the sentence directly by the pronoun. I help them. Okay, now I and they both are the pronouns. Then you is used for both singular and plural nouns. Okay, in any part of sentences, like you are my best friend. Okay, I like to play with you. So you and I both are the, you can say the nouns, pronouns. Then you are my parents. Okay, and I am proud of you. Okay, so in this type, you are using for the plurals also and singulars also, in the case of plural and in the case of singular also. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.